Hello, my lovely people. It's been a minute. Let me come here. We have a lot to catch up. Hey, Luciana. Hey, guy. No, I told you. Unajua Luciana alisema, she never knew that alikuwa amependa K. She loves K that much until that day. She was packing. Same case to us, Luciana. We never thought we care so much about you. Until that day you cried and you made us cry. Hey, God. Luciana is not suffering. Luciana is okay now. But I was still finding myself crying. Oh my God, my God. Luciana we no watureria mani. Ni ndaugaga tutikarira ringi nitwaririre rimwe riga. Oh God, but we cried. Me personally, I thought I'm strong. Niko sadera Luciana augire atiriri ati I feel void. Oh God, that one struck me. I feel so void inside me. Oh God, I was like, stop it. Stop it. Alafu riri augire atiriri Lila Luciana augire atiriri she's been going through this thing for the past 2 weeks na ametumana but K hakufikiwa. I was like, who could this be? And then Luciana, sweetheart, unajua, if it was those early days, like the first month, you coming to share your problems with K, maybe it could have been petty, like like you had not like established like I know you understand me when I mean like the early days. You can feel hard to share your those problems and as in like myself. Oh God, I keep things to myself. But Kalusi, the moment like umeona this person mean well to you, this person loves you, share the burden. Mzungu usema a problem shared is halfway solved. Me to you as like someone I love, please usikuwa unajiekea. Because you don't want to burst. Because we could literally see that. And I had a feeling like Luciana, yes, she wanted to come and tell Kay about whatever she has been going through. Alafu sasa hii visa ikakuja abruptly. So she didn't get time and she felt, ni kwanza Luciana ugire. You're going and I've got so many unanswered questions. I was God, nikuli utoa washoka. Like, me I felt bad. I was like, God, please. No kiria kirangenirie ni riria araugire atiriri, it's not anything between us. Kugo hau niho ndireciria it's not anything to do with their relationship ne maundu karengi maundu maria okire namo kana maundu ma wira. But we are still in a limbo. We care so much about you, Luciana. We are still hatujui what is disturbing you to a point of God, I feel a void. God, mini kwanza niliana mention that word void. God, that one. You now kaniweza. God, you avoid. She said that she feels so much void. I was like, God, what is happening to a girl? God, that was bad. Hey, Turia. Me hapo. Do you know, I was going to the comment section to see whether people are crying or like, am I normal? Alafu napata emoji tu, watu wakisema tunakata vitunguu huku. God, me personally, I cried. And then, unajua mimi, I don't watch once. I watch like 4 times. So I went back to the second time nikadiambia, style up, woman. You should not cry this time round. Nililia bado. I had to cry. God, I cried. God. mpaka nikasema maharia turathiĩ if someone attaches themselves the way I've attached themselves to this couple, hiyo si poa. Like I literally nati kurira kuria gwaku ohani maumaga biũ ngagiria mangĩ no maroka. God, I was posting it ngehe hinya nguga focus, she's okay, she's just crying because Kay is leaving, but she's all right, focus. Ngarĩra niĩ na mĩaka ĩyo yote. God, that was emotional. That was emotional. Afu no igure nginya Kay harĩ handũ aramũgũthũkĩire akĩmwĩra don't talk. Like you could tell even him ilikuwa imemkamata, like. And then you guys, you understand this. This is it's like this is a new couple. Matire makoro like away from each other for like more than 2 weeks. Cause you remember we were at marĩga-inĩ kĩroko amumire wĩra ũyũ amũdrop kĩroko we athiĩ gwake gũkoma nake Lucia athiĩ kĩrĩa Lucia na Lucia nathiĩ shughuli ciake no araigua kiuga atĩ nimekumiss. That is a difference of like hours wamemisiana. Hey Jesus, rĩu no ĩno ya mweri mũgima. Me, I totally understood her. Nilikaelewa. And then I feel like Luciana has never been shown loved. Like she has never been so loved. Like she said kwa Boy wa Mwangi, akasema like the previous relationships, most of them zimekuwa like one way, but this one she feel it's two way. So Daria igua are so loved, Daria igua are so much cared for. And then all of a sudden, uni arathi, arafuri ena burden, ena kĩũndũ kĩramugia. Arahopa kumwira in the next few days visa niyo kane uma ni traveling. God, she was overwhelmed. I love you guys. When Kay came to the UK, you see, like this is personal. This is actually it was in the group, and one of the persons said, and it really made sense because nini drone check out kaudiroga atiriri ni mundu wari so private, but he's going out of his way and to view me the whatever the hotel that he's spending time in, and in the camera anasema nakupenda. My God, what other confirmations like do we need? Kay, ukitoka UK, please go propose. Because I was thinking, if this guy was so much like, if this couple walikuwa like wameoana, that's hiyo kininio ilishika Luciana haingekuwa that strong. Like angelia hivyo. She made me cry. No, rĩarake akĩramwĩre bibi nitarudi, and I'll read when nowhere. It's so assuring. And then the person they are traveling with, it's a good person. So Kay will be back, Mama. She will be back for you. But then pia anaenda again. Oh, yes, no, by the way, Tony Rashi, that like we said, when he's coming back, his brand ime gain more value. But I know that feeling. It's not the best feeling. But he said he doesn't know how it's gonna happen. But next year they are traveling together. Thank you, God. Please. Nimahikanie. No igua atanyiterire maro kiundu gitigoke ku kihukanio gu, you know. Nimahikanie ma. Guy Kay toka UK. Ukitoka UK wende tu please go propose. Tie tu ma. So by the next time yani mukiuma kiria tutikaigue urugo. Please go. Kay, and then propose to. Cause I'm thinking if this girl was like kangekuwa married by Kay, arafeel kiria the distancing na everything re. I have a feeling it would have been easy for her. So please Kay, please God, propose man. One thing I know, unajua watu usema like I'm giving you time to know me. I don't know kama it's until even after 10 years, there are still things that you don't know about people, like your other better half, or your husband or your wife, or your, yeah, kuna vitu zingi you never come to know. So God please. Okay, na sasa mwenye kutuma sana yeye afikishe hii, what could it be? Oh, but then we saw her yesterday. She was happy. She's focusing on the brands. And I hope it's not something to do, because to me I feel like maybe